Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out another Merit makeup product. So this is a new makeup brand and it's clean, cruelty-free, vegan, and all about minimalizing your makeup routine, simplifying it, making it quick and easy. They recently sent me their 5-minute morning routine makeup collection. So it's just a few products, and so far I've tried out the blush, and let me tell you, I have been loving it. It has been my daily blush ever since I tried it out here on my channel. I'm actually wearing it today, and I've been wearing it every day. And if you have not seen my review of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But today I am trying out the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. And I got it in the shade Pink Beet. It comes in 4 different shades and it retails for $24. And it has nourishing ingredients in it like rose hip oil, shea butter, jojoba oil. And I love nourishing lip products. My lips, I'm sure you can tell just by looking at them, are so dry and chapped, just like they always are. And so a disclaimer that this was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I do have an affiliate link that I'll have in the description down below if you are interested in trying out any of these products. Oh my gosh, the packaging on this is beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's check out the applicator. A little doe foot applicator. Oh, it does have a slightly kind of like fruity smell to it. Smells nice. Let's see how it swatches. Oh, so pretty, like a peachy shade. And it does have good pigment to it. Not like a completely opaque liquid lip, but that is going to show up on the lips. Ooh, okay. Let's see how it looks on me. So nice. Oh, and loving the feel of it. Since my lips are so chapped, I feel like I could not stop applying it. It really does kind of remind me of a tinted lip gloss, but it really is that perfect essential lip product because it's your moisturizing lip product, your lip color, and your gloss all in one, and so quick and easy to apply. And that's what this Merit beauty company is all about. And I think it's such a beautiful shade, the type of shade that is perfect for anywhere, anytime, day to night, any sort of makeup look that you're wearing, any season, just perfect essential shade. And it's pretty moisturizing for my very chapped lips. It's not the most completely hydrating, transforming moisturizing lip product that I've tried. Like, I've definitely tried out many better hydrating lip products. I can still feel a little bit of chapped areas on my lips even after wearing this for a little bit, but it's definitely improved the hydration in my lips. But I really love the color. It's a perfect tint. Like, it's not too sheer, it's even color. So I am really liking this. I'm curious about the transfer. Yeah, just what I expected. The full kiss mark there fades a lot from the transfer, so it's not a long-lasting lip product, but at least it is so quick and easy to reapply because it's definitely the type of lip product that I would need to reapply a lot throughout the day after any time my lips touch something. And I like how this color goes with the blush that I'm wearing. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this product out or any of the Merit products out. I would definitely love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.